So the biggest difference between a website and a funnel is that a website doesn't do anything. Like,
What is a funnel versus a website? Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, I can answer that question if you want.
Oh, I love this question. I get to answer this question a lot.
So websites are great. They look beautiful and people have a lot of options, but you have no control.
So often I would find myself as a consumer, I come to a website and it's just a wall.
I'd say a website is a thing that you go to where one can get lost. So you could go, it's almost like going into my local supermarket. I'm going in to get some bread and milk, and you can have that strong intent and you come out with anything but bread or milk.
Today, I don't think it's, to ask somebody, do you have a website? I would rather ask them, do you have a web presence,
Websites have their place, but they're not what they used to be.
To me, a website is nothing more than a digital resume.
it really is just like a static, it's just a still thing that captures a lot of, holds your information on display for other people.
You are not going to be telling people what to do next.
It's got all these sorts of fun things like words and links and places to go, the About Us page, the home page.
They're just like going and are like, oh, okay, where do I next? So what's happening? Like, why am I here? I don't understand what's happening.
Website kind of just makes things complicated and makes things like not easy, and sometimes they're boring.
A funnel, on the other hand,
It's a very simple way of organizing a thought.
There's a little more action taking place, like you're almost guiding people through an experience, which I like because as a DJ, that's what I do. Like, I create experiences and like guide people from the first song to the last song.
So I think the funnel is pretty useful for the customer as well, for somebody who really is looking for your stuff and is willing to pay for it.
It's a living thing. A funnel is a living thing. It's an action-taking thing.
rather than leaving me guessing on what is the right fit for me,
A funnel takes you exactly to where the funnel builder wants you to go, the business owner wants you to go.
The funnels kind of put me in charge. I'm not a control freak, but it was kind of cool to be in charge.
So it speeds it up for the business, it speeds it up for the client, the customer. It's just better for everybody.
Everything right now in business and our culture, we're all about the experience.
Funnels create experiences, websites do not.